How to download and install Play Store apps on PC. So if you want to download and install Play Store apps on your PC, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser, your Chrome browser. After that, you need to go with your Google Apps. And from your Google Apps, you need to just find your Google Play. Tap on your Google Play, and here you will have your Google Play, right? So if you want to download and install it, then you just need simply go with the top right, which has that three dots. And from here, you need to go with Cast, Save, and Share, or you can also go with More Tools, and you will have an option to create a shortcut. So you need to go where you can create a shortcut, go with install or create a shortcut. After that, your shortcut has been created. Now, if you go back here, as you can see that you will have Android on Play Game. So if you double tap on it, then it will take you to your Google Play. Now you have installed your Google Play on your device. Now, if you want to download something from your Google Play, then what you can do is you just need simply go with any application. Like for example, I'll just simply go with search, and here I'll search for calculator. After searching, and then you just need simply right click on the application, go with copy link address. Once you've copied the link address, now you need to go with the browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, or just Chrome browser. After opening your browser, now you need to go with search, and under search you need to search for APKPure and go with apkpure.com, and here you need to go with search, which is on the top right, and paste the link right here. After pasting, hit the enter, and here you will have the application. You can just simply go with download APK, and it will download your APK file. And after downloading the APK file, you can go with your downloads, which is on the top right. You will have the three dots. Just click on it and then go with downloads, and from the downloads you will have your downloaded file, which is calculator. Double click on it and it will start the installing process. That's how you can install your Google Play Store on your PC or laptop and install the games. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.